Hello ipXers, we are at Embedded World 2025, where we are with Cervoz. We're with Sophie. Talk about memory in rugged environments.
Okay, so this is our vibration test. So just shake it just like this.
Yep.
Yeah. So as you can see here, you can see we test our SSD in some like a vibration test.
Yep, so there's an SSD memory in there
Yeah.
being shaken about.
Yeah. So in this we can through this vibration test we can test our SSD. So as you can see for the SSD, the endurance they will be getting higher. So yes, quite suitable to fulfill like some outdoor applications
Yep.
like in vehicle.
Yep, well you've shown that here. You got this picture here of this big truck. Durability in vehicle. So would normal SSDs struggle in this kind of environment, which is why you're showing them in this box? So SSD would be seen as being environmentally vulnerable.
Yes.
So, but you're showing with this demo how you can put it in here and that's operating quite comfortably with all this going on.
Yeah. So maybe for some like a military case, they also will need some like their assistants can work in harsh environment like this. So with this high endurance SSD, so our SSD solution can fulfill their demand in this kind of like assistance.
So when a design engineer is trying to understand and evaluate whether or not this SSD is going to be, are you able to show them data that shows them that this is very reliable in this kind of environment?
We do some like tests.
You do?
Yeah, so we can provide the test report for customer to verify. So they all information in very detailedly where shows down the test.
Yep. So do you give any guarantees that this can take this level of vibration for over a period of time? Is that the kind of thing that you're able to show?
So for the product guarantee or warranties, I would think that for different series of product, it at least for 3 years.
At least 3 years, right? So your SSDs could sit in this kind of environment. So where you show shock-proof, vibration-resistant.
And also with a conformal coatings and white tape to one. So with so many different kinds of features get it inside.
Right. So if somebody's looking for a SSD memory in very rugged, very environmentally testing environments, they should come and talk to Cervoz and understand how you can give them a 3-year warranty for their next application.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. Sophie, tell us about what you got going on here.
Okay, as you can see, for this part, we got a military grade SSD with 2.5 inch here. As you can see, the military grade is a keep plate. So we have a GPIO function. So they have a more function like write detection or freak erase or like self destructions.
Yep.
You can imagine like just like a mission impossible.
Very good. Very good.
So there will be like the highest like data security for that.
Yep.
Once we start this function, then every data.
So there's a lot of security going on here as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So the next one will be the power loss protection. Here we provide different form factors to fulfill different systems like a 2.5 inch and also like a MSATA and also NDA2 series.
Very good. Very good.
Can fulfill. So just imagine that when your system just suddenly go the power off, but what about the data? How do we go like how do this data saving will get grabbed?
Yeah.
But
Because it's vulnerable.
yeah, so if we have this like a power loss protection function with our SSD, so
That will protect it.
yeah, we can prevent your data just get corrupt because the supply power failure. So
Yep.
this is very useful, especially for some like vehicle, because you know that's something about life matters or something about medical markets.
Absolutely. I understand. Okay.
Also very important feature in our crop idea.
Very, very good. So, I mean, I'm looking after data is more important than it's ever been now. So having this kind of protection is very, very important for the kind of applications you've been talking about, military and medical, where data is absolutely vital.
Yes, so that's for one of our most important features for the power loss protection. Then we call it power guard in our name series.
Very good.